Hello students. Today we are going to solve a very nice question of Olympiad. In this we are having a triangle with this right triangle with the hypotenuse 7 and a line is drawn which is bisecting the right angle. That means this line is an angle bisector line. Okay. The length of this angle bisector is 3 and we need to find the area of this triangle. Okay. Can you solve this? Okay, now, first of all, we see over here that we are seeing a very easy method to solve this question. That first we know that this line is bisecting the right angle. That means it is dividing the 90 degree into equal parts. So each angle is of 45 degrees. Now we have let this side as A and the other side as B. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that a square plus b square is equals to 7 square, which is equals to 49. Now, area of this triangle can be calculated by half times the product of the two sides, that is a into b. So, this is ab by 2. Now, keeping this aside, now we are knowing that when there is a triangle with side P, Q and R and an angle between the side PQ is theta, area of this triangle can be calculated by sine rule, which is equals to half PQ sine theta. So we are going to apply this rule. We do not need the length R. Now we are going to apply this on our triangle, first triangle. Let its area is A1. So this area is equals to half times A into 3 into 45 of sine theta. That means this is equal to 3A by 2 root 2. Now, taking the next triangle, okay, its area B, let it be A2. The sides are B, 3 and the angle between them is 45 degrees. So my A2 area is equals to 3B by 2 root 2. Now, what we have to do? Right. We need to add these two areas to get our complete area of triangle which is required, that is A. So A is equals to A1 plus A2. Now we substitute the values of A1 and A2. We get this. Now we can take 3 by 2 root 2 common and we are having the area as 3 by 2 root 2 times of AB, but our area A, which is equal to AB by 2. So we can equate these two equations and 2 gets cancelled out. So taking the root 2 to the left hand side, root 2 times AB is equals to 3A plus B. Now squaring both these sides will give us square of root 2 into square of AB is equals to 3 square into A plus B whole square. Now replace this A plus B whole square with the identity A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now we are having the value of A square plus B square as 49. So we replace this value and the root 2 square is equals to 2. The 3 square is equals to 9. So we multiply this 9 times 49, that is 441 plus 18 times of AB. Now take all the terms to the left hand side. Twice of AB square minus 18AB minus 441 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of AB. So what can we do over here? We'll not bore you by solving the equation. We can directly have the roots as by quadratic formula, that is 3 by 2 into 3 plus root 107 and 3 by 2 into 3 minus root 107. Now both the sides should be positive because that are the length. So we neglect the second part. We are having the A into B as 3 by 2 into 3 plus root 107. That means the area is 3 by 4.